It's Christmas.
Here.
Why don't you just put it over in the return box?
That's so bad.
What Grandma got?
A little later. We'll do it tonight, a little later.
I can't get it.
It's not worth it, really, to buy
Where's the scissors? Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Here you go, Mom.
Thankfully.
You watching Grandma open her gift?
Colin, put down the camera.
Could it be here, Nate?
Oh no.
No, it's a nice.
Oh, okay, it's every other one. It's every other one.
It's a nice.
Nightgown, bomb, nightgown.
Nightgowns we like. Thank you. It's a nice one.
Oh, Mom, put your nightgown down. Hold on. Sorry, Mary Morris.
No. You are great, Mom. You know what? You smile. Smile with your nightgown.
This is my nightgown.
There are very few things you'll be able to smile about, so take the picture.
Sorry.
You want your drink? Tim, is this drink behind you?
Yeah.
Water is.
Good.
Sure. Everybody forgets a nightgown like this, but the other thing goes on and on and on.
Here you go, babe. Here's yours.
I'll probably need scissors.
Your juice? No, this is Mama's. Here. You want your water? Have your water. It's better.
Not careful.
Trying to get out.
The puppy.
Oh, it's dead now. Returns are easy as 1, 2, 3.
What is it?
A snowsuit.
No, what is it?
Nightgown.
Snow pants.
Oh, great.
Snow pants. Very nice, huh?
Hey.
Another winner.
Or just
Mom looks that hard.
And the answer?